A new collection of Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra renders has been published by Evan Blass, giving a more complete visual overview of Samsung's next flagship smartphones ahead of their official debut. The renders present all three models in a consistent style, showing the devices from different angles and highlighting the design changes Samsung has made for this generation. Even though earlier leaks have already outlined much of the lineup, these images offer a clearer and more unified look at the trio. The color lineup displayed in this leak includes black, cobalt violet, sky blue, and white, with each variant using a matching frame. These colors are expected to serve as the standard options available at launch. However, previous information from the same source indicated that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would also come in two additional finishes, pin gold and silver shadow, though these were not part of the latest render set, suggesting they may be reserved either as online exclusives or for specific regions. The overall design language remains close to what Samsung introduced in recent years. The Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus continue with a familiar structure, while the S26 Ultra incorporates several subtle updates, including rounder corners and a redesigned S Pen with a tilted clicker button. The camera layout across all three phones now uses a clearly defined camera bump around the individual rings, giving the rear design a more organized appearance compared to earlier generations. Information shared by multiple sources still points toward the S26 Ultra using an aluminum frame rather than retaining titanium, though this kind of detail cannot be verified through renders alone. With Samsung preparing for its Unpacked event on February 25 in San Francisco, these leaks help set expectations for what the company plans to showcase on stage, and the full hardware specifications, software features, and availability details will be confirmed during the announcement. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.